Objective of this training module is to give overview of maintenance procedure. Before carrying out the maintenance job, take the required work permit. After ensuring the lotto, you can open all doors. Discharge the incoming cables. Keep the discharge rods in the incoming terminal till the maintenance procedure is completed. Now we can start with the cleaning. So first, blow dust the entire GRR internally. Start from topmost units and slowly move your way down. This will help you ensure that no dust remains anywhere. Clean all power contactors and contactor kits. If there is excessive pitting or carboning that cannot be cleaned with a marking cloth, then replace that contactor kit. Tighten all the bus bar terminals with a torque wrench. Whenever working with a torque wrench, you must refer the torque range chart. Check the segregation barrier for tightness and any bends or deformities. Tighten the main contactor coil and check the cable termination for heating and the insulator for cracking. You will notice slight carboning if any heating has occurred. Individually check. Similarly, check every coil's insulator and the grid's resistance value should be as specified. Now we need to measure the GRR and its termination cable's IR. It should be a minimum 100 megohms. If it isn't, we will need to take the necessary action to bring it back to above 100 megohms.